Hello! In this video, we will show how to run a PID control. This is the DigiRail NXprog. It has available several inputs and outputs. We will use the A1 input and R2 output. So, let's connect the temperature sensor PT100 and the relay wiring. This sensor will measure the lamp temperature, and the relay will switch to activate or deactivate the power supply. The connection for programming is via this USB port. So, let's connect the cable to begin with the application setup programming. Now, let's install the Arduino application example. Please, go to Nova's website on the DigiRail NXprog page. Here is the user manual for reference. The Arduino application example is here, the control_PID. Click on it to download the file. It is a zip file. You should extract it to the folder you choose. Open the folder you extracted the file. Double-click on the control_PID.ino sketch file. The IDE Arduino will open up. First of all, we need to install the Pid library. Go to Sketch, Include Library, click on Message Libraries, and type PID on the search bar. This is the library that you need to install. In our case, we already had this library installed. Now, let's take a look on the code. The library is included here. Those are the control variables: setpoint, input, and output. As today is cold weather, we will change the setpoint to 28 Celsius degrees. This is the PID class from Arduino library. We defined 5 seconds as relay cycle time. Here we have the function that configures A1 input as PT100 and the R2 output as control output. This is the function that sets cycle time range and automatic start to PID. Initial message on the console. And in the application, this is the routine that reads the temperature. The compute function calculates the PID automatically. The PID output is converted in PWM signal in this function, and the output value is written on the console in percent once a second. Now let's compile it to check integrity. This is the message of compiling done successfully. Now let's check the COM port. It is OK. So let's execute and load the application to DigiRail NXprog. The program was already uploaded, and DigiRail NXprog is already running it. Let's open the console. Here we can see the lamp on, A1 LED activated, and R2 LED activated too. On the console, we can see the temperature rising. The relay is switching on the power supply. Our set point is 28 Celsius degrees. So, when the temperature approaches the set point, the relay modulation will start, turning the lamp on and off, depending on the power applied through output, like 30% of the time on and 70% off. Now the temperature reaches the set point, and we have an overshoot till 29 Celsius degrees. After 10 minutes, we can see a very narrow band around the set point. The temperature varies from 28.0 to 28.4 Celsius degrees, which means 0.4 Celsius degrees far from set point. That's it! So easy! Thanks for watching!